Here we'll provide a detailed guide on how to connect and install the solar-powered surveillance camera. Prior to installation, please ensure that all necessary accessories and components are available. The included accessories consist of 5 expansion screws, 5 long screws, 2 short screws, and 1 positioning sticker. Required tools include a 6 mm drill bit, a hammer, and a screwdriver. The main components of the product include a surveillance camera, a solar panel, a data cable, and a mounting bracket. Before beginning the installation process, please note that the power interface must be oriented vertically downward and should not be installed in any other direction. Step 1. Positioning and drilling. Align the device with the designated installation location and use a marker to mark the drilling points. Remove the device and use a 6 mm drill bit to drill holes at the marked positions. Insert the expansion screws into the drilled holes, adjust the position of the device, and secure it using the long screws. Step 2. Installation of the solar panel. It is recommended to install the solar panel as close to the camera as possible to ensure efficient solar charging. Charging may not occur if the distance exceeds the transmission line capacity. Begin by placing the positioning sticker at the desired installation location. Drill holes using a 6 mm drill bit at the corresponding positions. Insert 3 expansion screws into the wall. First, attach the long screws at the top into the expansion screws, leaving approximately 2 to 3 centimeters of space before fully tightening them. Next, take out the bracket of the solar panel, unscrew the screws on the back of the bracket, and separate the bracket head and the bracket rod. Loosen the screws on both sides of the bracket head to facilitate installation on the solar panel. Align the elongated slot on the bracket head with the corresponding opening on the back of the solar panel and secure it using the short screws. Mount the solar panel bracket by attaching the bracket rod to the previously fixed screws, then tighten the screws. Secure the 2 bottom screws to stabilize the bracket. Reattach the bracket head to the bracket rod and adjust the angle of the solar panel by tightening or loosening the screws on either side of the bracket head. Step 3. Connecting the solar panel to the camera. Locate the rubber port at the bottom of the camera's rear panel. First, turn on the camera switch. Then, remove the protective cover from the rubber port and open the small hole. Finally, insert the power cable from the solar panel into the port. The installation of the solar-powered surveillance system is now complete.